questions. So the problem in Manipur is not merely of a community crisis. The Indian state under the Modi-Shah duo is implicated in this violence, and that's why they are not stopping it. That we must continue said. जब तक मैं इस हाउस का member बन के रहूँगा, I'm not going to keep quiet. I'll keep on raising these issues. And that is one of the way to do it is here. We here in Delhi, you shout in Imphal, nobody bothers. So the fact is that you must be here and speaking, and that's why we organize this. And even if a few members comes here, thank you for your support, and thank all my party members and colleagues from the parliament who have came in such a short notice. I have only informed them yesterday about this, and I'm very thankful to Shashiji also for coming in. And I'm also expecting one of my old friend Yogendra Yadav. He is also on the way, and hopefully he will join us and also reflect on our situation. We need support. Please remember, it's not a Manipur's problem. This is an Indian state problem. When the constitutional system collapses, this speaks on this country. Please do not forget that. As long as you think this has something to do with a distant place called Manipur, you are already pushing that people will begin all over again to ask this question, what is the place of Manipur in the Indian Union? And the remaining, these youths of Manipur and the Northeast in general will begin to sense what is our place even today in this country, depending on how we behave and how we react, respond to this crisis. And a better sense should prevail among the Indian elites, particularly the BJP leaders. And they are doing more harm to this country than to Manipur through this violence. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech to share our pain of Manipur to all of us.